Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. It's so good to see you all again. Today, we're going to talk about something we all do every single day, our evening routine. What do you do after you finish work or school? Let's explore some common activities and learn some new English phrases together. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first thing I usually do when I get home in the evening is change my clothes. I take off my work clothes and put on something more comfortable, like sweatpants and a t-shirt. It feels so good to relax after a long day. I might say, first, I get home and change into my comfy clothes. What about you? What do you wear at home? After changing, I often feel a little hungry. It's not quite dinner time yet, but I need a little something to eat. So I'll have a snack. Maybe some fruit, a handful of nuts, or yogurt. I could say, I'm feeling a bit peckish, so I'll grab a light snack. Peckish is a great word that means slightly hungry. Once I've had my snack, it's time to start thinking about dinner. I like to cook dinner at home. I go to the kitchen and see what ingredients I have. I might look in the refrigerator or the cupboards. I'll decide what to make. Maybe I'll make pasta, or perhaps a stir-fry with rice and vegetables. I enjoy the process of preparing a meal. It helps me to unwind. I could say, I'm going to cook dinner now. I think I'll make some chicken and roasted vegetables. While the dinner is cooking, I like to tidy up the living room a bit. I put away any books or papers that are lying around. I might fluff the pillows on the sofa. A clean space helps me feel more relaxed and organized. It doesn't take long, just 5 or 10 minutes. You could say, I'm just tidying up before we eat. Then, it's finally dinner time. I set the table with plates, forks, and knives. If my family or roommates are home, we all eat together. This is my favorite part of the evening. We talk about our day. We share stories and laugh. We might ask each other, "How was your day?" Or, "Did anything interesting happen today?" Eating together is a wonderful way to connect with people. After we finish dinner, it's time to clean up. Nobody loves this part, but it has to be done. We clear the table. I wash the dishes in the sink with soap and warm water, or sometimes I load the dishwasher. Putting everything away makes the kitchen look nice and clean for the morning. We can say, let's do the dishes together. With the kitchen clean, I finally have some free time to relax. I call this my downtime. There are many things I might do. Sometimes I like to watch a TV show or a movie on Netflix. I get cozy on the couch with a blanket. Other times, I prefer to read a book. I love getting lost in a good story. What do you do to relax in the evening? Do you watch TV, read, or maybe listen to music? I also use this time to catch up with friends or family. I might call my parents on the phone for a chat, or I might text my friends to see how they are doing. Staying connected with loved ones is very important to me. I could say, I'm going to call my sister now. On some evenings, I might have a hobby that I enjoy. For example, I like to play the guitar. I'll practice for about half an hour, or maybe I'll do some drawing or painting. Having a hobby is a great way to be creative and do something you love. Do you have any hobbies that you do in the evening? As it gets later, it's time to start winding down and getting ready for bed. This is my bedtime routine. First, I like to prepare for the next day. I choose my clothes for tomorrow and lay them out. I also pack my bag for work so I don't have to rush in the morning. This makes my mornings much less stressful. You could say, I'm getting my things ready for tomorrow. Next, I head to the bathroom to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. It's very important for healthy teeth. Then, I wash my face to remove any dirt from the day. I might also take a warm shower or a bath to help me relax even more. After my shower, I put on my pajamas. Pajamas are the special clothes we wear for sleeping. Before I get into bed, I like to do something calming. I try to avoid looking at my phone or computer screen right before sleep, because the blue light can make it hard to fall asleep. Instead, I might read a few pages of my book again, or maybe I'll listen to some calm, relaxing music. Sometimes I do a few gentle stretches to relax my body. Finally, it's time to go to sleep. I make sure my alarm is set for the morning. I don't want to be late. Then I turn off the lights, get into my comfortable bed, and pull up the covers. I close my eyes and try to clear my mind. I think about positive things and take a few deep breaths. Soon, I drift off to sleep. We can say, "It's time to hit the hay," which is a fun, informal way to say it's time to go to sleep. Or more simply, "I'm going to bed now. Good night." So, that's a typical evening routine. Of course, everyone's routine is different. Some people might exercise in the evening. They might go for a run or go to the gym. Others might study or do homework. Some people like to spend their evenings playing games with their family. The most important thing is to find a routine that helps you relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Let's do a quick review of some of the vocabulary we learned. We have change clothes, have a snack, cook dinner, and wash the dishes. For relaxing, we can watch TV, read a book, or listen to music. When getting ready for bed, we brush our teeth, wash our face, and set the alarm. And finally, we go to sleep. Now, I have a question for you. What is your favorite part of your evening routine? Please tell me in the comments below. I would love to read about what you do in the evenings. Sharing our experiences is a great way to practice English and learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope you found this video helpful and learned some new English words and phrases. Remember, practicing a little bit every day is the best way to improve. You are doing a fantastic job. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next lesson. We have many more fun topics coming soon. Have a wonderful evening and a great night's sleep. See you in the next video. Goodbye.